In previous lecture, we discussed about definition of aerogel, properties of aerogel, history of aerogel, and also discussed about chemical formula of aerogel. Today, discussion is on applications of aerogel. Some of the novel applications of aerogels are super thermal insulation, electrode material for energy storage device, super capacitor, fuel cell, hybrid battery, lithium ion battery etc, membrane filtration media for a gas storage S2 methane etc, lightweight composite structuring material etc, inspired by the structure of the polar bear fur. Researchers present a kneadable aerosol fiber. The fiber are washable, dyeable, durable, and well suited to be used in advanced textiles. This allowed the researchers to test them in a sweater that demonstrated impressive thermal insulation. Among other features, the Stardust dust collector with aerosol blocks. NASA cosmic dust caught in aerosol blocks from Stardust. NASA Stardust collector used by NASA as shown in the figure. While absorption while absorption by an aerosol held up by hair also. Silica aerosols may be used for sound insulation such as on window or for construction purposes. An aerosol holding crayons with a flame lit underneath, demonstrating its excellent insulation from heat. NASA silica aerosols can be used in imaging devices, optics, and light guides, thickening agent in some paints and cosmetics. Laser targets for the United States National Ignition Facility. United States National Ignition Facility NIF. NASA also used aerosol for thermal insulation for the Mars rovers. The US Navy evaluated use of aerosols in undergarments as a passive thermal protection for divers. Aerosols have been used by NASA for insulating space suits. The suitability of aerosols is determined by their low index of refraction, filling the gap between gases and liquid, and their transparency and solid state, making them easier to use than cryogenic liquids or compressed gases. Carbon aerosols are used in the construction of small electrochemical double layer supercapacitors. At present, such capacitors are polarity sensitive and need to be wired in a series if working voltage of greater than about 2.75 volt is needed. Dunlop Sport uses aerosol in some of its rackets for sports such as tennis. In water purification, Calco gels have shown promise in absorbing the heavy metal pollutants mercury, lead, and cadmium from water. Matte coatings, thin insulation system, insulating coating, building and construction cosmetics, low temperature insulation. Aerosols may be used to disinfect water, killing bacteria. Aerosol can introduce disorder into superfluid helium-3. Aerosols are used in inertial confinement, fusion, ICF, and X-ray laser targets. What are the medical uses of aerosols? In addition to biocompatibility of various types of aerosols were elaborated. Then biomedical applications of aerosol were focused on this review as a drug delivery carrier, bond healing agent, antioxidant, and antitoxicity, bone regenerative, cartilage tissue activities, and in dental fields. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has used aerogels in its space missions, such as the Chandrayaan 2 mission to the moon, to insulate sensitive instruments and protect them from extreme temperatures. Scientists at India's DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, Research and Development Organization DRDO are developing graphene aerosols for supercapacitors and energy storage. Even considering that the market is mainly driven by the increasing demand for construction applications, the new emerging trend, together with increases in R&D investment and a global aerosol market size projected to reach USD 1045 million 1045 million by this year 2025, suggests that the market believes aerosol will become increasingly important. These are the figure shown as where some of the aerosols are used in different fields. Biomedical applications. Aerosol biomedical applications as tissue engineering, scaffolds, wound dressing material, biosensing and diagnostics, drug delivery matrices, and antimicrobial material as shown in a figure. Biosensing and diagnostics, drug delivery, biomedical applications of aerosol, antimicrobial as discussed earlier, tissue engineering, and wound dressing. Safety to be taken when we use aerosol. Silica based aerosols are not known to be carcinogenic or toxic. However, they are mechanical irritant to the eyes, skin, respiratory tract, and digestive system. They can also induce dryness of the skin, eyes, and mucous membrane. Therefore, it is recommended that protective gear, including respiratory protection, gloves, and eye goggles, be worn whenever handling or processing where aerosols, particularly when a dust or a fine fragment may occur. Safety measures. What are the limitations of aerosol and how are scientists working to overcome them? The main limitations of aerosols are their fragility and the high cost of production. Traditional silica aerosols can be quite brittle and can shatter like glass. Researchers are working on making aerosols more durable by reinforcing them with polymers or other materials. Cost wise, the supercritical drying process is expensive, so finding cheaper and more efficient manufacturing method is a focus of ongoing research. Aerosol granules, aerosol blankets, aerosol panels, functional molecule, physical cross-linking, chemical cross-linking, radiation cross-linking. The after that scaffold network from functional molecules dispersion and gelation, and from also scaffold network dispersion and gelation, which is gel, from dispersion and gelation, aerogel, cryogel, aerogel. Aerogel is supercritical drying. Cryogel is from freeze drying. Zero gel from ambient pressure drying. These are the applications and limitations of aerogel.